Hi everybody, my name is Juan Castilla. Thanks for watching this video. Today I will talk about a competence that professional translator should adopt. Well, the professional translator. The professional translator is constantly in situations in which he must interact with the initiator of the translation, including the originator of the source text, the author, the proofreader, experts in the field, documentalistics, and terminologies. For that reason, it is necessary to develop and adopt good practice to become competent professional translators. Translator competence is the macro competence that constitutes the set of capacities, skills, knowledge, and even attitudes that professional translators gather and that intervene in translation as an expert activity. Similarly, there are subcompetencies which will help to guide us in our training process and to achieve the results of the process itself in a specific way. Taking the above into account, we will begin to break down the five subcompetencies that we have brought. We start with the psychological competence because if it is to be missed, the rest of the world will be affected. Physiological uh, competence, psychophysiological competence, sorry. It includes the self-concept or awareness of being a translator, self-confidence, attention span, memory. Develop a translator-interpreter self-concept. Foster a sufficient level of trust. Promote the capacity of attention. Promote memory capacity. And promote the automation of the most common tasks of translation and interpretation. Example, a sick, discouraged, or troubled translator makes it impossible and may cause translation failures. Second, interpersonal competence. It is about the ability to articulate and work professionally as a team and in the same way with clients, initiators, authors, users, and well as with experts in the subjects to be translated. Make known the different interpersonal relationships that intervene in the process of translation or interpretation. Prepare to know how to work as a team with the different professionals involved in translating or interpreting activities. Prepare to know how to deal professionally with other people involved, such as clients, initiators, commercial, intermediaries, authors, users, or experts of the thematic fields dealt within translations or interpretations. Example, the translator who listens to his clients and respects his team helps to clarify what is required and to resolve conflicts. Thematic competency. Thematic competency. It includes the basic knowledge about the thematic fields in which the translator works, which allow him access to the understanding of the source text or the additional documentation that he uses. Make known the basic concepts as well as the internal structuring of those discipline central to the professional translator market: economics, commerce, law, science, technology, literature. Make known the source of the documentation of each of them. Example: translators who have pre-acquired concepts of a discipline will be, will be able to effectively develop the word since they know its terminology and can give a faithful translation. Cultural competence. It includes not only encyclopedic knowledge regarding the countries where the corresponding language and language are spoken, but also about values, myths, perceptions, beliefs, and behaviors and their textual representation. The translator make known the shared values, myths, perceptions, and beliefs that determine the behavior of the various cultures of language A, B, and C. Make understand the relationships between cultures and their texts. Publicize the main institution of the cultures of language M, B, and C and their historical and social context. Example: the color used in Asia to identify that a person and their family are in Maureen is white, whereas in a country like Colombia it is black. Knowing these types of details makes us professional in translation studies. And instrumental competence. It includes the use of documentary source of all kinds, the search of terminology, management of glossaries, database, and the management of programs and technological applications. The translator prepared to know how to identify, assess reliability, and use the different sources of documentation for translation and interpretation. Prepare to know how to organize and search for terminology as well as assess reliability and manage terminology resources. Example: a professional translator must have in his possession all the tools available to be faithful and to be able to deliver the message in an optimal way. One more time, thank you for watching this video.